going to be manual muscle testing our Lumbricals Manus. Again, we'll go through the action just to make sure. So that first component of it is to flex the four fingers at the metacarpal phalangeal joint. But because of their dorsal digital expansion, they also extend or hold the finger in extension at both proximal and distal interphalangeal joint. So as an active range of motion, exactly, they're going to be flexing. You really can't go past kind of a 90-degree bend at those joints. Good. For the break test, I'm going to bring her up into that motion. I'm only going to be using a finger or two, and I'm going to be trying to resist across that proximal phalanx. What I'm going to ask that she does is hold her fingers extended while I push on that proximal phalanx for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Starting with the fingers flat, so just relax your hand for me. Good. And now bring them as far as you can up against my resistance. And then she did an excellent job of holding those fingers in extension through her concentric component. Okay, so that would be the active breaking concentric for all four Lumbricals Manus. The last thing we need to do is we're going to show the length position for this. I'm going to show it both as one finger at a time, but then as a group. I'm going to turn her hand to the side just so you're able to see it. It did flexion at the metacarpal phalangeal joint, so we will be extending this joint, and it extended both proximal and distal interphalangeal joints. So what I'm going to do is curl her finger in, creating flexion at both of those joints, and then I'm going to extend it back at the metacarpal phalangeal joint. So I'm currently lengthening that first lumbrical for the second digit, and you would repeat this process one finger at a time for each lumbrical. Okay, so that gives you a sense of each lumbrical's length. And if you were doing it as a group, again, what I would do is take her fingers, curl them all up into the palm, like so, and then extend them back at the metacarpal phalangeal. So that would be a length of all Lumbricals Manus at one time.